Hey, welcome. In this video, I'm gonna show you 3 powerful ways to use an auto clicker app on your phone. Number 1 way, how to send thousands of likes on TikTok Live automatically. Number 2, how to earn coins in tap games without touching your screen. And number 3, a smart photography hack using your back camera for high quality solo shots. Let's get into it.
First, let's get the app. Open your Play Store or App Store, search for Click Assistant, and download it from the list. Make sure you grab the right one. It looks like this. Once it's installed, open it up, tap Next through the setup, and when it asks for accessibility permission, go ahead and grant it. The app needs this to work its magic. Done? Perfect. The app is now ready to go. Okay, let's start with TikTok Live. Imagine giving thousands of likes in 1 minute without touching your screen once. Here's how. Open TikTok, tap the plus button, and go live. Once your live is running, go back and open Click Assistant. Tap Start Service, you'll see a small floating button appear on your screen. Tap the plus icon on it and it'll drop a tap point right where you place it. Now tap Settings on that point. Here you'll see 2 values, delay and duration. I'm setting both to 10 milliseconds. That's lightning fast. The lower the number, the faster it taps. Hit save, then press play, and watch. The app is now sending over 1,000 likes per minute on its own. You don't have to lift a finger. And it works on other people's lives too. Jump into someone's TikTok Live, set your tap point over the like button, hit play, and boom! You're flooding their live with love while you kick back and watch. It's that simple. Now let's talk gaming. You know those tap to earn coin games? Your finger gets tired, your speed is limited, and coins come in slow. Not anymore. I've got one of those games open right now. Watch how slow and tiring it is when I tap by hand. Coins trickle in. Now let me switch to Click Assistant. This time I'm using 4 tap points spread across the screen, so every active area gets hit at the same time. Same settings. 10 milliseconds delay, 10 milliseconds duration. Hit play. Look at that. Coins are flying in. It's tapping faster than any human hand, hitting every spot at once, and my fingers aren't even touching the screen. More coins, no fatigue, total automation. Just a quick note, use this the right way. It's a great tool for speeding up casual gameplay, but don't use it to cheat in competitive or online games. Keep it fair, keep it fun. Okay, this last one is my favorite, and if you take cello photos, you're going to love this. Here's the problem. When you use your front camera alone, your phone uses hand gesture detection to take photos. It works, but front cameras are lower quality. They're fine for calls, but not for high-quality photos. Your back camera is sharper, has better resolution, better color, but it doesn't have that hand gesture feature. So how do you use it alone? Open your camera app and switch to the back camera. Now prop your phone up somewhere stable. Use a stand, lean it against something, whatever works. Go back to Click Assistant, tap the plus button, and drop your tap point right over the shutter button. Now go to Settings and change the delay to 10 seconds. This gives you time to get into position and strike a pose. Set the duration to 10 milliseconds. Hit play and go stand in front of your phone. Every 10 seconds, click. Your phone is taking a photo. You can change your pose, move around, try different angles, and it just keeps shooting. No photographer needed, no self-timer stress. Just high-quality back camera photos all on your own. And that's it. 3 ways to put your phone to work for you. Likes on TikTok Live, coins in your games, and professional quality solo shots using your back camera. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe. I've got more app tutorials coming that you don't want to miss. Drop a comment below and tell me which hack you're trying first. I'll see you in the next one.